How to change dialog box style for your interactive story. Hey creators, welcome back to Storio. So, your story's looking great. Your characters are on point. Your scenes are set. But the dialog box? Does it match your story's tone and mood? No worries. Storio now lets you customize your dialog box style to match your story's vibe. Here's how to do it. First, jump into the interactive novel editor. Click the settings for the dialog box. Next, explore the style library. There's something for everyone. Want a clean, modern look? Try the simple box. Going for fun and comic style? Use the comic panel. Telling a magical tale? Fancy frames are your friend. Once you've found your favorite, just hit confirm. And just like that, your story's dialogue has a whole new vibe.
How does Storio?